we would like to invite Rin Sarot and Somozo go to the stage, please. Hi, Rin Sarot. So, your opponent is very strong striking. So, do you have any game plan to bite him?
ថ្ងៃស្អែកគឺខ្ញុំនឹងធ្វើឲ្យបានល្អហើយខ្ញុំមិនធ្វើឲ្យខ្លួនខ្ញុំខូចចិត្តម្ដងទៀតដែលការប្រកួតដណ្ដើមខ្សែក៏បានលើកទី2អញ្ចឹងការប្រកួតលើកនេះគឺខ្ញុំនឹងធ្វើឲ្យបានល្អហើយខ្ញុំនឹងបង្ហាញសមត្ថភាពខ្លួនឯងថ្ងៃស្អែក
I will try my best, and I don't want to be sad like my last fight that I lose the champion belt in GMA. And yesterday, tomorrow, I will show you guys about how strong am I.
So, this is your second chance to reach the belt. How many percent you put in this fight to win?
ថ្ងៃស្អែកគឺខ្ញុំជឿជាក់ 60% ហើយខ្ញុំនឹងធ្វើបានល្អទី1គឺថ្ងៃស្អែកគឺជាថ្ងៃថ្មីគឺខ្ញុំនឹងបង្ហាញសមត្ថភាពហើយខ្ញុំនឹងយកជ័យជំនះដើម្បីទៅក្លឹប Cambodia Top Team.
Yesterday I believe 60%, and I believe that I will win him, and I try my best to Cambodia Top Team.
Thank you, Rin Sarot. Hi, Somozo. So, this is your second chance again, right? So, you know your opponent is a fighter, have many experience at the One Championship. Is this make you fear of that?
ဒီပွဲအတွက်အကောင်းဆုံးပြင်ဆင်ထားတယ်။ဘာလို့ပြင်ဆင်ထားလဲဆိုတော့တဲ့ဘက်ကငါထက်ground ပို့ပြီးလေ့ကျင့်ထားတယ်။ငါသူ့ထက်ပို့ပြီး stand fight လေ့ကျင့်ထားတယ်။ငါဒီပွဲမှာသူဝင်လုံးမယ်ဆိုရင်ငါ distance ကိုချပြီးရတယ်ငါ stand fight နဲ့လည်းထိုးမယ်လို့ငါဆုံးဖြတ်ထားတယ်။ငါအကောင်းဆုံးပြင်ဆင်ထားတယ်ပေါ့ဒီပွဲမှာငါသူ့ကို knock out ထိုးမယ်နော်။
Thank you. So, now face off with your opponent, please.